Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic TV with a model number TC-either 55 or 65 DX700 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. I'll put those model numbers in the description, by the way. Now there's two ways you can do this reset, either via the menu or via the physical buttons. I'll talk about both here in a second, but there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one's troubleshooting. If your TV's not working, not connecting, not making sound, etc., a hard reset can fix those issues. The second reason is if you just want to get this TV set up like it was coming out of the box brand new with everything wiped off of it, we can go ahead and do that. Now if you've got access to the menu, on the controller, you just hit the menu button to open the menu on the TV, and then you select Setup, System, Factory Default, Yes, to confirm it. Setup, System, Factory Default, Yes. Now, if you don't have access to the screen because it's frozen or something like that, we can do this from the physical buttons. So the TV does need to be on, and we're going to come to the back and find the volume down button on the TV and the menu button on the controller, which is just under the power button on the left side on the remote control. And we're going to simultaneously press that volume down button on the TV and the menu button on the controller for more than 5 seconds. After that time is up, we can go ahead and unplug the TV and then let go of those buttons. Wait a few seconds, plug the TV back in, and when you turn it back on, it will automatically turn on into its factory default state.